Going with Purdue?
Oh no, Indiana all the way. They already beat them once at Assembly Hall.
But it's at Mackey's tonight.
It is Mackey. It's going to be close.
What in the world?
Well, look at that.
What do you got?
What is it? The Department of Sciences brought us something.
I know what this is.
What?
You know, I just saw this last week. You know, on those as seen on TV ads that will come across the television or on a newspaper. It's a banana slicer. It is.
No. How?
I just happen to have a banana on me.
You do.
Because I was going to have one after this shoot. Look at that. So you just put that in there and you go like this and you just dunk, and you slice it right up.
I don't know.
And you can put it in your cereal or whatever you like.
I guess.
What do you think it is?
I'm pretty sure this is a nutcracker.
A nutcracker? Huh.
I don't know, guys. I think this is a cheese slicer or a cheese shredder. Sorry. You just stick it in there, open it up, and it comes right out on this side. What do you think?
Well, those are all really good guesses,
Yeah.
but this is actually a freshwater tank gate valve. When you want to empty your freshwater tank, you will just pull your T-handle, it'll open the valve, and your freshwater will empty from your freshwater tank. Typically, this is located underneath the unit by the axle area.
Who knew?
Well, that closes out this episode of Brinkley's What Is It? Make sure to leave your wrong answers in the comments below.
Yeah, I think it's really
Oh,
good.
it's definitely gonna work.
Try and do it. Oh, that was better than expected.